The Invisible Holder charger cable, with 240 WPD fast charging, brings a surprisingly clever twist to something as simple as a charging cable. At first glance, it looks like a standard USB-C cable, but the built-in invisible holder design is what really sets it apart. This feature allows you to neatly position and secure your cable exactly where you need it, whether it's on a desk, bedside, or workspace, eliminating the usual mess of loose wires and constant repositioning. Performance-wise, the 240W power delivery support is a standout. This isn't just for smartphones. It's powerful enough to handle laptops, tablets, and other high-demand devices. Charging speeds are impressively fast, especially when paired with a compatible adapter, making it ideal for users who need quick top-ups throughout the day. The cable maintains stable power output without noticeable drops, even during heavier usage. Build quality feels solid and durable. The materials used give it a premium touch, and the cable resists tangling well, which is always a plus for daily use. The connectors fit securely into ports, reducing the risk of accidental disconnections. The invisible holder mechanism also feels sturdy and doesn't loosen easily over time, which adds to its practicality. Another advantage is how it improves convenience in everyday scenarios. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, having the cable held in place exactly where you want it makes charging far less frustrating. It's a small innovation, but it makes a noticeable difference in keeping your setup clean and efficient. Overall, this cable combines high-speed charging with smart design in a way that feels genuinely useful. It's not just about power, it's about improving how you interact with your devices daily. For anyone looking for a fast, reliable, and more organized charging solution, this cable delivers a strong balance of performance and thoughtful functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.